Okay, today we are going to see about modifiers. Modifiers are used to modify the range of variable. Range of variable data types. Modifiers can be used in only integral data types only. What are the integral data types? Integer data type and character data type. So let's see an example. So if I want to reduce the byte size of integer data type, I can use short keyword. With the help of this keyword, we can able to reduce 2 bytes of integer data type. First, in case if I want to increase the integer data type bytes, what keyword I can use? I can use long. So with the help of long, we can able to increase the bytes 4 bytes from 4 to 8 bytes. We can able to increase by 4 bytes, 4 to 8 bytes. So if you see in double can be increased by 16 bytes from 8 to 16. So to increase the byte size, we can use long only can use in double, same value 16 bits. Next, there are signed and unsigned values are there, and the signed and unsigned values can only use for integral, and the integral data types are integer, character. Signed values. The signed keyword is used to allow only the positive or negative signs. What I mean positive and negative signs means positive one, negative sign one. This values can able to store in signed. By default itself, it can be considered as signed. In case if I need to store only positive value, I can use unsigned int. Here negative values cannot be used, but the negative values can be stored. How negative values can be stored in unsigned value? Let's see. So for this, there is a set of range. In this range only, the values can be stored. So in this set of bits only, the storage can be stored. Range of unsigned char. So the minimum range of I can store in unsigned char is 0, and the maximum value I can store is 255. How I can able to show about this means because totally how many bits? The totally in char one bit is equal to 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bits, right? So 8 bits. So 1 byte 8 bits. So totally 32 bytes, 2 to the power of minus 6. So this is how we can able to store the values, and the range is 0 to 255. So totally we can able to store 256 bits. We can able to store 256 bits. How sure I am telling this means 2 to the power of 8 watt. So with the help of this formula only, here bytes can be converted into bits, means with the help of 2 to the power of bytes. So 2 to the char byte is 8. So 1 bit is equal to 8 bits, right? So this is how the bits can be stored in an unsigned char. So we can able to write this range like this also. So if I want to store -1, where it will be stored? For better explanation, I am drawing this circle. This circle represents, if positive values means it goes like this, right? So negative means it comes reverse. 255 also 255, minus also 255. So that's how the store value. But there is but we can't able to tell for minus 900 minus 800 like this. So for this purpose there is a formula existed. With the help of this formula we can able to easily find the values. So the formula is 256 plus character original bit value. So what is this character original bit value? -1. So -1 is the original bit value. So if I addition with me 255. So in case ch is equal to ch is equal to ch is equal to, in case ch is equal to minus 600, right? So we need to again and do it as iteration. If I get minus means I will return as minus 34. Again I need to addition with 256, 188, again 256. So in 168 I can able to store the value in char. So for this I am going to open my system. Wait.